Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with essentials. Confirm the head unit model and Android build, because flashing the wrong file bricks it. Once done, back up settings and media to a USB drive so you can restore profiles and navigation data. Next, download the exact OEM firmware and the USB image tool. You need the right package. Make sure the car battery or a jump pack supplies stable 12V power during the process. Loss of power during flashing destroys the system. You now move to flashing. First, prepare a FAT32 formatted USB stick and copy the OEM update file. Verify the checksum to ensure integrity. Once ready, boot the head unit into recovery or update mode. This varies by model, so follow the model-specific button combo. Insert the USB, start the update, and monitor progress closely. If you see progress bars or log messages, do not interrupt. Wait until it reports one. Finish by completing the initial setup and restoring your backup so NAV and settings return. If the unit boots into the launcher, test audio, Bluetooth, and radio. If a boot loop or error appears, try safe mode first, then a factory reset. If that fails, reflash using the verified image again. Make sure to use the spare good USB image and stable 12V supply. If hardware-level errors remain, stop and contact OEM support. Continued attempts can worsen hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.